Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu narrates that when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had expired and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu held the office of the vicar and some of the Arab tribes turned reneged and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu resolved to fight against them, Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu submitted to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. How can you wage a war against them when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam has been ordained to fight against the people until they pronounce there is no worthy of worship saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And whoso says that there is no worthy of worship saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has secured his life and property from me. However, whoso infringes the Islamic laws will be taken to account and his inner self is entrusted to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu in reply said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will surely fight a war against the person who will discriminate between the prayer and the poor due, for the poor due is a right of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in property. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if these people refuse to pay that piece of tether which they would pay during Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, I will fight against them. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I realized that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had opened Hazrat Abu Bakr's heart regarding this issue, and I was certain that it was the right course of action. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 124.